Oral health care in the Philippines has greatly improved over the years. Innovative solutions for oral health care problems are made available with technological advances and latest dental researches. Leading the dental care community is Villareal Dental Clinic Incorporated, or VDCI. Its team of highly skilled dentists and cutting-edge dental technology are known in the industry worldwide. Behind VDCI is a force with passion and determination. Dr. Hermogenes Villareal is a humble man with big dreams.
If I can still recall, this started, of course, with me and my wife. This is a single proprietor. I went to our house in Cartimar. I talked personally with my father and told him my idea to put up a private practice. He wanted me to put up a dental clinic inside our house in Cartimar. It's below the stairs, you know. But I told my father that that's not my idea of having a private practice. Instead, I want my dental clinic to be set up in a commercial area. I asked him if he can give me at least 15,000 pesos. During that time, money is very precious. He opened his cabinet and gave me the land title of this lot in Parañaque and told me that you can talk to Attorney Paul Bercasio, and I talked to him sincerely that I wanted to put up a private practice. Without any blink on his eye, he gave me the 15,000 pesos and told me that you can keep that title or you can give that back to your father and pay me as you wish.
Together with his wife, Dr. Villareal started his first clinic in 1974, working sun-up to sundown, satisfying every patient in the best way possible.
I started with one unit and chair, with no rugs, with no carpet. It's just a plain floor. My assistant then is my wife, who is, I think, 7-month or 8-month pregnant to Sherry.
Right after his passing the board, he already opened a clinic.
We have started with 300 pesos.
Yeah, we started only with 300 pesos. Imagine that.
During the first 6 months that I'm not earning, she's working.
I was the one doing the businesses. I can make bags, macrame bags, bead bags, leather bags.
She's working late at the evening. One of the principles I shared with my children, like ko sinasabi sa kanila, pag kayo naggamot ng pasyente, hindi lang pasyente yan. Gamutin niyo sila na parang ginagamot mo ang magulang mo, mga kapatid mo.
Yeah.
Na pag gagawin mo lahat ng magagawa mo sa pasyente mo, para paglabas mo ng clinic mo, hindi mo na sila isipin.
Masarap ang kalooban.
Nagawa mo na lahat yung dapat.
Yes. You served them well.
Leading VDCI to expansion, Dr. Villareal held on to 3 golden principles.
Do not place your money in one basket. Place it in several baskets. Use other people's money. Do not use your own money. Expand your clinic and then borrow money to the bank and use the bank's money. Then you can have other clinic. You can have more income. Third one is the percentage of you to become sick is 0.0005. But always remember, the chances of you to get richer or to earn more money is 55555. First 10 years of my practice, I started from 7 o'clock up to 12 o'clock in the evening. Before, pasyente ko, up to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, nakaupo sa may hagdanan.
From one clinic in Taft Avenue, VDCI expanded its clinics to serve more clients. A charismatic man and innately a leader, Dr. Villareal became part of various dental and civic organizations.
As president of the Pasay Dental Chapter, Pasay Dental Chapter was voted as the most outstanding chapter of the Philippine Dental Association, wherein there are 120 different chapters all over the Philippines. As a master fellowship, I was nominated and appointed as the counselor, international counselor of the International College of Dentists. This is the counselor medal of the International Council. This is the highest. It's all destiny.
As testament to his skills, experience, and leadership, he won many awards and recognition both locally and abroad.
There's always God on the center of everything in our life.
VDCI came to greater heights with Dr. Villareal's team of experts, his children specializing in different fields of dentistry.
I'm Dr. Maria Cheryl Villareal Borja, and I'm a fellow of the Philippine Academy of Implant Dentistry, a fellow of the International College of Dentists, a fellow of the International College of Implantologists, a fellow of the International College of Continuing Dental Education of the APDF, APDC. I'm also an active staff of Asian Hospital and Medical Center and St. Luke's Global, the Fourth. I'm also the past president of the Pasay City Dental Chapter of the Philippine Dental Association. In the Villareal Dental Clinic Incorporated, I am a prosthodontist, a family dentist, and a cosmetic dentist. I've been handling Bright Smile and as a Bright Smile consultant for 14 years. I've been having a lot of whitening patients coming inside the clinic. With Sherwin, I handle the different implant prosthodontic cases of the clinic.
I am Dr. Maria Shervy Monica Villareal de Cerqueira. I am the Villareal Dental Clinic periodontist and implantologist. My beginnings, after graduating from University of the East, I took a local postgraduate course under the Philippine College of Oral Maxillofacial Surgeons for 2 years. And after that, I was sent to New York University to pursue periodontics for 1 year as an international student. And later on, I took my US board exam, parts 1 and 2, and I went back to pursue the 3-year postgraduate master's program in periodontics and implant dentistry. And I am part of the Philippine Society of Periodontology. I'm the incoming president of the Philippine Academy of Implant Dentistry 2016, and I'm also involved in some local organizations doing medical and dental mission. And since my father, our family, we have a foundation, Doña Gregoria Pedro Villareal Foundation, so we do dental and medical missions as well.
I'm Dr. Sherwin Villareal, and I handle a variety of specialties in the clinic, which goes from general dentistry to endodontics and prosthodontics. And I also, my subspecialty is to do oral implantology, as well, which I trained in New York University for 2 years after graduating from University of the East. Diplomate and Fellow of the International Congress of Oral Implantologists, also a Fellow of the Philippine Academy of Implant Dentistry, and a Fellow of the International Continuing Dental Education. I am an active staff of the St. Luke's Medical Center and Asian Hospital Medical Center, and we also cater to the patients from the U.S. Embassy and several international embassies as well.
Together, the Villareal family has brought an expertise and excellence in service into VDCI, giving first-hand training and close supervision to all associate dentists and staff, providing the highest quality of dental service to all clients. Through hard work and dedication, VDCI is now the preferred dental clinic of politicians, celebrities, and media personalities in the country. Dr. Villareal is the official dentist of the Papal Nuncio. And during the papal visit, Dr. Villareal was assigned as the official dentist of Pope Francis. Despite all these successes, Dr. Villareal remains to be a humble man, instilling the same heart and passion to his children and the rest of the Villareal family.
He has always been beside me in times of my sickness, in my pains, in my trials. He's the one, he took care of me when I was sick, when I got operated on, everything. He was the one taking care of me. Sundays, we always don't miss the Mass with all our children, our family. Kasi nga, family, family-centered kami. Up to the present time that we got married up to now, he has always been a one-woman man. I'm the only one in his life, ako lang. From the time I said yes to him, up to this time, I will never, maiiyak ako. I will not get tired of saying, I want to remarry him again. Yun lang. Oh, Daddy, the first time you heard that.
That is actually, when you see him outside VDCI, is an epitome of a real dad. He's a friend, he's a parent, he's a confidant that we can actually go up to him anytime and say anything.
Dad is very authentic inside the clinic and outside. At home, he's very quiet, but once you talk to him, he's full of wisdom. Yan, he's actually the family's rock.
For me, I think he's a very godly man. Number one, most of all. Before everything starts, he would always offer a prayer himself, and he would stop the nurses, the doctors, and he would start praying. The operating table was his altar.
Like what Dad would say, treat your patients like as if they were your mother, your sibling, or relative. So if you have a treatment plan in mind, think that the mouth that you're gonna treat is a friend or a relative, and that you will never do.
I remember Dad saying that it's not all about money. When he treats patients, since he treats them with utmost care, and he has actually imparted that to all of us. He believes that sharing the gifts that we have, sharing our specialties, is also one way of being a godly person.
Okay, so when you're part of the family, you're really family. There's no in-laws or whatsoever. Mom and dad doesn't really make you feel like you're an outlaw, but you really like family. The same way that dad treats his patient, or the way I see dad and the siblings treat the patient, it's patients are family.
They spoil me a lot. They buy me iPads, toys, games, and they really love me. They give me whatever I want, but I to be a spoiled brat.
I can summarize in 3 words: love, humility, and excellence. They are always trying to perfect themselves to be better wives, husbands, sons, daughters. As professionals, I see them giving their best, but still they don't boast. They don't show any signs of feeling above others. Papa is a leader, a silent leader. His wisdom can be found everywhere. You don't even have to talk to him. Just observe. He's teaching you.
Actually, one of the first few dates that we had, it was Sherwin's birthday. Immediately, I met mom and dad, and then they were very sweet. Like, they treated me like their own daughter immediately. And then we clicked also, like, even the interests, and the love was just there. And it was so beautiful because really, God knows who to put together.
From one dental chair to many, through more than 40 years of hard work and perseverance, from one man's vision to excellence, to a family and a team of experts in dentistry. VDCI is at the forefront of the dental care advancement and medical tourism in the country, ensuring that local and international clients will get the highest standard of dental care possible. That is what VDCI stands for. Villareal Dental Clinic Incorporated, where high quality and excellent dental service is the utmost priority. That is the VDCI promise.
Happy Nay, happy Nanay, happy
Sama
family.
po. Sama
happy
po.
children.
Now, she would wake up and make sure there's breakfast, there's food on the table, and we will come home with an atmosphere of not just a house, but a home. The fly!
And then he doesn't want to come out. She said, I have so many things to feel.
No, I don't want to come out.
I'm coming in.